Do you want to know how you can change your profile picture in Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your profile picture in Starry AI. Go ahead and open starryai.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on your profile, which is on the top right hand corner, and then click on complete profile. You can see your profile picture is over here. Go ahead and click change and select the photo of your choice, and after a while you can see that your profile picture has been changed successfully. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and click on your profile, click on complete profile, and you can see the photo option over here. Go ahead and click change. It will load a Windows bar where you can click on the photo of your choice and your profile picture will be changed. I hope this video about how you can change your profile picture in Starry AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.